I do. We read. Hello, I'm Lee from I Do Books. Today is a busy day. We have 3 containers are waiting for loading. Here is a 14 HQ container to load the Tesla parts. You can see here are the front bumpers, rear bumpers for Tesla. And here are the front trunks and the rear trunks for Tesla. Here are some fenders for Tesla Model 3. The fenders for Tesla Model 3 and the Model Y. They are all packed in boxes, except for the trunks and the bumpers. They are packed in the polybag. This is the radiator brackets for Tesla Model Y. Those are good in the fenders. This is the fenders for Tesla Model 3 and for Tesla Model 3. This is the big fenders for Tesla Model Y. All are packed together very thick boxes. All these products will be loaded in that container. They will be delivered to European this time.